Portable room dividers are one of the easiest ways to transform a space without remodeling. They add privacy, create zones, and bring style to any room, all while staying flexible and easy to move. Today, we're exploring portable room divider ideas that blend design, function, and modern creativity. In this video, we'll break everything down into 3 simple parts: stylish divider concepts, smart space-saving uses, and design tips to help your divider enhance the entire room. Whether you're dividing a studio, adding privacy, or creating a cozy nook, these ideas will inspire your next setup. Start with dividers that feel like part of your decor. Choose shapes and designs that complement your room's style, whether modern, minimal, or warm and textured. A stylish divider instantly becomes a design piece that adds personality while still being practical. Think about flow and openness. A divider doesn't need to block everything completely. Sometimes a soft separation creates the perfect balance between privacy and connection. What style of divider do you prefer? Modern, cozy, or minimal? Tell me in the comments. Portable dividers are perfect for creating zones in small or multifunctional spaces. Use them to define a workspace, create a dressing area, separate a sleeping zone, or add privacy near windows. Because they're portable, you can redesign your space whenever you want without permanent changes. Dividers also help guide movement within a room, making even open spaces feel more organized and intentional. It's an easy way to shape your environment without losing flexibility. If these portable room divider ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone looking to make their space more functional and stylish. The key to making your divider look great is harmony. Match it with your room's colors, textures, or overall theme. Choose designs that add height, softness, or dimension. Anything that complements the space while still serving its purpose. Keeping the look cohesive ensures your divider blends in naturally rather than feeling like a temporary fix. This turns a simple divider into a stylish part of your home. For more smart, small space solutions, interior design tips, and creative home ideas, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. And there you have it, portable room divider ideas that bring style, flexibility, and function to any home. From creating personal zones to shaping open spaces, these dividers help you design with ease and freedom. Want to bring these divider ideas into your own space? All the featured portable dividers and similar options are linked in the description below. So, whether you're upgrading a small room, refreshing a studio, or simply looking to add a touch of privacy, let these ideas guide you toward a space that feels more organized, stylish, and uniquely yours.